She's like skateboarding it.
You might want to sit on it first.
This is dangerous. Danger. I love all the disgusting stuff on that table too. No, I'm gonna keep videotaping it.
So where do you walk off stage?
Walk up here, go across, walk off stage.
Shanahan, I'm going! Walk at people.
Well, going into grade 11, I guess. Yeah. Pardon? True. Dorothy, if you break the stage again during crew breaking the stage, good times. Okay. You guys can do this. I have so much faith in you right now. Do you just want to watch the world burn? Want to fix the table so it doesn't look like it's gonna fall? There you go.